Welcome to our detailed comparison of Jira and ServiceNow. These are two renowned platforms used for project management and IT service management, respectively. They both offer a range of features designed to streamline workflows and improve productivity. However, their functionalities, pricing, and ideal user bases differ significantly. Let's dive into a detailed comparison. Jira is known for its robust project and issue tracking capabilities, making it a popular choice among software development teams. It offers customizable workflows, agile reporting tools, and advanced search options. On the other hand, ServiceNow excels in IT service management, ITSM. It provides automated IT service, operations management, and business process automation. When it comes to pricing, Jira offers a more flexible structure. It has a free version and paid plans start from $7 per user per month. ServiceNow, however, doesn't have a free version and its pricing is quote-based, typically making it a more expensive option. However, the cost may be justified for enterprise-level companies needing advanced ITSM features. In terms of user experience, Jira's interface is more developer-focused and can be complex for non-technical users. ServiceNow, however, has a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easier to navigate for a wider range of users. Both Jira and ServiceNow offer a wide range of integrations. Jira integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products and supports a variety of third-party applications. ServiceNow, meanwhile, provides integrations with major business apps and platforms and supports custom integrations through its API. Both platforms are highly scalable and reliable. Jira can handle large agile projects and is suitable for teams of all sizes. ServiceNow, with its high performance and scalability, is ideal for large enterprises with complex IT processes. Jira offers support via community forums, online resources, and a ticketing system. ServiceNow provides 24/7 support through phone, email, and chat, in addition to a comprehensive knowledge base and community forum. Choosing a winner between Jira and ServiceNow depends on your specific needs. For software development and project management, Jira is the clear winner due to its powerful tracking and reporting tools. However, for IT service management and business process automation, ServiceNow stands out with its robust features and user-friendly interface. Overall, the flexibilities of Jira's pricing and features make it a more versatile choice for a broader range of businesses. Thank you for watching our comparison of Jira and ServiceNow. We hope this has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos. Have a great day.